Hello YouTube, how you doing? Welcome back to a new video. I know it's been very long, but it won't take much long for Mr. Beast to cross T-Series. Well, I'm not joking. You can check the difference between Mr. Beast and T-Series, and you can check the remaining subscribers which is needed to cross T-Series. And Mr. Beast tweeted regarding this: I challenge the CEO of T-Series to a boxing match. Although T-Series has not replied Mr. Beast yet, and I don't think so that they will reply anytime sooner. But talking about replies, we are getting no reply on this thing. We are going to witness a rejection of a kiss, not once but twice, to IShowSpeed when IShowSpeed tried to kiss, and it will be much more easier for you to get what I'm talking about if you just look at your screen and look at the video which I'm gonna play for you. Moving on, talking about Kai Cenat. Kai Cenat has been pulling more viewers in his sleep than the rest of the Twitch during his challenge. Well, Kai Cenat gets more viewers than any other Twitch streamer in his sleep. Can you imagine? This guy did something which others couldn't. Well, talking about something spicy, we are going to talk about Jake Paul and Mike Tyson. Recently we saw them in an interview where Jake Paul stated, "I wanna kiss Mike's big juicy lips." Then in the counter statement, Mike Tyson commented, "I saw a picture of him at 16 doing a little dance on YouTube, and for some reason I had an erection." Well, these guys were talking shit at an interview, but that was fun to watch. Well, I don't know if it's true or not, but many people like to talk about something or some kind of invention or something or some kind of shutdown. So here's the news regarding shutdown. Portal, installed in New York and Dublin for people to interact live, shuts down as people act wrongly, and you can see a woman flashing something, or you can say her private parts, to public in front of the portal. Well, I remember a quote: "It doesn't matter how much grass you feed to a donkey will still remain a donkey. He won't convert into any horse." So, well, that quote suits right here. Anyways, that's it for today's. I hope you liked the video. Do make sure to like, share and subscribe, and share to your friends as well, and subscribe to Mr. Beast.